Welcome to Abstract. In this video, I will show you how to change a Gmail name or how to edit a Gmail account name easily. To change your Gmail name, go to gmail.com and log in. Once logged in, from the top, click on gear icon to open settings. Select See All Settings. Then click Accounts and Import. Then in front of Send Email As, find your email address. Because there may be multiple email addresses attached as aliases here. Find required email address. In my case, this is the email address. And then click Edit Info in front of it. Under name, select second radio option. And then type new name there. After that, click Save Changes button. Then your new name will be shown on mail that you send. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.